Creating an account on Visa 2026 is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. Follow the instructions below to set up your account quickly. Step 1. Visit the Visa 2026 website. Open your web browser and go to the official Visa 2026 website. Look for the Sign Up or Create Account button on the home page. Step 2. Fill out the registration form. Click on the Sign Up button and fill out the required registration form. You will need to provide personal information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Step 3. Create a password. Before changing your settings, use the Esh.com link in the description to open the password strength checkout, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Verify your email. After submitting the registration form, check your email for a verification link from Visa 2026. Click on the link to verify your email address and activate your account. Step 5. Log into your account. Once your email is verified, return to the Visa 2026 website and log in using your email and the password you created. You are now ready to use your account. By following these steps, you can easily create a Visa 2026 account and start enjoying the services offered.